Hi, I'm Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today we're going to be going over the surface crochet stitch, and this is made with slip stitches. So let's get started. I've already created a swatch of single crochet to work on, and what we're going to do is take a second yarn of a different color and just start working some surface crochet. And I'm just going to pick a random spot on the swatch to start out. Now for this, I like to create a slip knot just to give the loop a little bit more structure and stability. So from the back of the work, you're going to take your new yarn and have it on the back, put it on your hook, and choose where you want to go in to your work and pull up the loop that you just made. Now you don't have to use a slip stitch, or excuse me, slip stitch. You don't have to use a slip knot. I just do because I like having that extra little bit of stability and structure for the first loop. So now what we're going to do, that we have the loop up, we're going to pick where we want to go, which is virtually anywhere on the swatch. Pull the loop up, and we're going to just pull it through the previous loop that we had pulled up, the first loop, and just keep going from there. So you insert your hook anywhere you want. It can be up, down, left, right, and just keep going into the work, pulling up the yarn that you've added in and making a slip stitch. And this is great for this is a great technique for adding a surface embellishment to your work. So I'm just going to do a few more. And anywhere that there's an available space, you can work your yarn. Okay, so now we're ready to finish this off. So pull up your final loop wherever you want to finish. You're going to cut your yarn. And then the tail that is left, you're going to go in to the stitch next to where you finished off, insert your hook from the back of the work and pull the loop through. And then you're just going to weave in the ends as you would normally. And that is how you complete a surface crochet stitch using slip stitches. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more.